Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, welcome to your online class of subject maths. Today we are recalling the topics of third lesson subtraction, and the topics are regrouping of numbers, subtraction with regrouping, comparing with the help of subtraction, and the last is checking subtraction using addition. So let's start. Regrouping of numbers. Regrouping of numbers. Children, sometimes what happen when we are subtracting digits in the same places, we may not have enough ones. So we have to regroup 110 to 10 ones and we have to add them. We have to add them to the digit in the ones column. See here, suppose here we have 45. So already we have learned this now. So 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5, and this 40 can be written as 4 tenths and 5 ones. This 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. Now this 40 is equals to 4 tenths and this 5 is 5 ones. Now this 4 tenths can be written as 3 tenths plus 1 10 plus 5 ones. Next, 3 tenths plus 1 10 is equals to how much? 10 ones. This 1 10 is equals to 10 ones. Okay. Next, 5 ones. Next, 3 tenths plus 10 plus 5 is how much? 15 ones. Why we have changed these tens to ones? Because sometimes we may not enough have ones. So we are regrouping the 110 to 10 ones. So let's do one problem on regrouping. Yes, the next topic is subtraction with regrouping. Suppose we have to subtract 66 from 82. So first we will write the bigger number. See, first we will write bigger number above the smaller number and we have to subtract. But children, see here, we cannot subtract 2 from 6. Why? Because 6 is bigger than 2. So we have to take 110 from this tens place. We have to take 110 from this tens place. So after taking 110 from 8, this 2 will become 12 and this 8 will become 7. Okay, this 2 will become 12 and this 8 will become 7. How? We have learned here. In the regrouping we have learned. Okay, see, we were having 45, but after changing from tens to ones, we got 3 tenths and 15 ones. We took 110 from here and this is becoming 15 ones and this 4 is becoming 3 tenths. Now we have to subtract. Now we can subtract 6 from 12 easily. If we subtract 6 from 12, we'll get 6. Now if we subtract 7 from 6, we'll get 16. So this is a subtraction with regrouping. Our next topic is comparing with the help of subtraction. Children, with the help of subtraction, we can compare two numbers and we can find out by how much one number is greater than the other. How much one number is greater than the other. Let's do one problem here. See, Seema has 17 dolls and Amrita has 23 dolls. Who has more dolls and by how much? Now, first is Amrita is having Amrita has 23 dolls. 23 dolls. And Seema has 17 dolls. 17 dolls. Now we have to find who is having more than whom. Who is having more than whom and how much. Now see here, we cannot subtract 7 from 3 because 7 is greater than 3. So we have to take 110 from 2. So this 3 will become 13. This 3 will become 13 and this 2 will become 1. If we subtract 7 from 13, we will get 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So, who is having more dolls? Amrita. Amrita is having more dolls. How many more? 6 more. Amrita has 6 dolls more than Seema. Okay. Yes, our last topic is checking subtraction using addition. Now see here, we have to subtract 28 from 63, but we cannot subtract 8 from 3. Why? Because 8 is greater than 63. So first write 63 and 28. Can we subtract 8 from 3? No. Why? Because this 8 is greater than 3. So we have to take 110 from this 6 and this 3 will become 13 and this 6 will become 5. Okay. 13 minus 5 is how much? 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So we got 35. Now how do we check whether this answer is correct or not? Now we will add the difference. We will add the difference of the two numbers to one of the number we subtracted. See, we got this difference now. So we will add this number. We will add this number to one of this number and we will get the answer. See, let's do 35 plus 28. 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. 1 as carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. We got 63. See, here we got 63. So, we have added the difference of two numbers to one of this number we have subtracted. So 35 and 23 we got 63. Sorry, 35 and 28, if we add 35 and 28 we got 63. The answer we get is 63. Hence this proves that the subtraction was done correctly. Okay, thank you students. Be ready for the next class.